Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota, the place where we uncover the hidden gems and potential landmines in corporate filings. And today we're diving into a significant leadership change at Acadia Realty Trust, a company that owns and manages shopping centers. So buckle up because there is a major shift in their accounting department, and we're going to break down what it means for investors and the company itself. Before we dive in, if you value getting clear, no fluff analysis of these filings, make sure you are subscribed and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. Also, if you want to connect with fellow investors and discuss these reports, join our Discord community linked right below in the description. Alright, so what we have here is a Form 8K filing from Acadia Realty Trust, or AKR, as it is traded on the stock exchange. Think of an 8K as a company's way of telling the public about big news pronto. It's not a regular update like a quarterly report. This is for stuff that really matters right away. Acadia Realty Trust is a real estate investment trust that focuses on owning and operating shopping centers located in key markets across the United States. They are known for properties in urban and densely populated suburban areas, aiming for high-quality retail destinations. Now, the big news from this filing is all about a change in their top accounting boots. Their current Chief Accounting Officer, Richard Hartman, is stepping down from that role. He has been with the company a long time, since 1997, and has been Chief Accounting Officer since 2012. That is a lot of years and a lot of accounting knowledge embodied in one person. But change is in the air. The company is bringing in David Buell to take the reins as the new Chief Accounting Officer. This change is official starting the 5th of January 2026. So Richard Hartman isn't just disappearing, he is moving into a new role as Senior Vice President for Strategic Initiatives, which sounds like a good way to leverage his extensive experience in a new capacity. So who is David Buell? Where is he coming from? Well, he's got a solid background in accounting. Most recently, he was the Chief Accounting Officer at Kite Realty Group, Trust and Other real estate company from 2018 to 2025. Before that, he held other important roles there like Corporate Controller and Director of Accounting and Financial Reporting. And before all that, he was a senior manager at KPMG, a big accounting firm where he apparently worked with real estate clients. He is also a certified public accountant and has a degree in accounting and finance. So they're bringing in someone with direct relevant experience. Now let's talk about the money. Mr. Buell is going to get an annual base salary of $375,000. That is a good starting point, but it doesn't stop there. He'll also be eligible for an annual cash bonus and an equity bonus under the company's share incentive plan. On top of that, he is getting some immediate stock awards. There is a one-time equity award valued at $500,000 that will vest over 5 years. And then there is a signing bonus. This signing bonus can be up to $245,000 in cash and another up to $245,000 in equity. So in the first year, he could potentially see a significant payday beyond his base salary. He is also going to sign a severance agreement, which is pretty standard for executives. This announcement is accompanied by a press release which is filed as an exhibit to this report. This press release likely goes into more detail about the appointment and might offer some quotes from leadership about the transition and the future. Companies always want to put a positive spin on these kinds of announcements, so it is worth looking at if you want the official story. Looking at Acadia Realty Trust themselves, they are a significant player in the real estate investment trust space, particularly focusing on retail properties. As of late 2025, they would be operating in a commercial real estate market that is seeing shifts due to online shopping and changing consumer habits. Companies like Acadia are constantly working to adapt their properties to remain attractive to tenants and shoppers. This leadership change in accounting could signal a focus on financial precision and strategic financial management as they navigate these market dynamics. A strong accounting department is crucial for managing assets, tracking performance, and ensuring financial stability, which are all key for a REIT. Their common shares trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker ACA for investors. A smooth transition in key financial roles like Chief Accounting Officer is generally a positive sign. It suggests the company is planning for the future and ensuring continuity in its financial operations. Major accounting changes can sometimes signal shifts in strategy or a focus on specific financial metrics that management wants to highlight or improve. So what's the bottom line here? Acadia Realty Trust is bringing in new leadership for its accounting department, with David Buell taking over as Chief Accounting Officer effective January 2026. He brings a solid resume from the REIT industry. He is also being compensated quite well with a good base salary plus bonuses and significant equity awards, which signals the company's commitment to securing his talent. This transition appears well planned, with the outgoing officer moving to a new strategic role. From an investor perspective, this move should be seen as a sign of stability and forward-thinking financial management, especially in a dynamic retail real estate market. It's not a dramatic shakeup, but rather a careful handoff of the financial reins. Now, looking at this from a broader perspective, Acadia Realty Trust is navigating a tricky retail landscape. The rise of e-commerce continues to impact brick and mortar stores. For a company like Acadia, it's crucial to have a strong financial team that can accurately assess property performance, manage debt, and plan for capital expenditures. Mr. Buell's background at KPMG and another REIT suggests he understands these challenges. The substantial signing bonus and equity awards indicate that Acadia sees his expertise as vital for their future. The key for investors will be to monitor how the company's financial reporting and strategic decisions align under his tenure. We will be keeping an eye on ACA to see how this leadership change plays out in their future filings and overall business performance. The company seems to be making a deliberate move to strengthen its financial leadership during a period of significant change in the retail sector. Alright, that is our breakdown of Acadia Realty Trust's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Do you think this leadership change is a smart move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.